Do I need to bring anything? Yes, you need to bring something. No, you don't need to bring anything. Do I look tired? Yes, you look tired. No, I don't look tired. Do I have to pay now? Yes, you have to pay now. No, you don't have to pay now. Do I speak English? Well, yes, you speak English well. No, you don't speak English well. Do I belong here? Yes, you belong here. No, you don't belong here. Do I know you? Yes, you know me. No, you don't know me. Do I need a visa to travel there? Yes, you need a visa to travel there. No, you don't need a visa to travel there. Do I sound angry? Yes, you sound angry. No, you don't sound angry. Do I understand rules? Yes, you understand the rules. No, you don't understand the rules. Do I remind you of someone? Yes, you remind me of someone. No, you don't remind me of anyone. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. No, I don't like coffee. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. No, I don't speak English. Do you live in India? Yes, I live in India. No, I don't live in India. Do you work from home? Yes, I work from home. No, I don't work from home. Do you understand the lesson? Yes, I understand the lesson. No, I don't understand the lesson. Do you need any help? Yes, I need some help. No, I don't need any help. Do you want to join us? Yes, I want to join us. No, I don't want to join us. Do you know the answer? Yes, I know the answer. No, I don't know the answer. Do you believe in ghosts? Yes, I believe in ghosts. No, I don't believe in ghosts. Do you remember my name? Yes, I remember your name. No, I don't remember your name. Do we need to leave now? Yes, we need to leave now. No, we don't need to leave now. Do we have enough time? Yes, we have enough time. No, we don't have enough time. Do we know each other? Yes, we know each other. No, we don't know each other. Do we agree on this? Yes, we agree on this. No, we don't agree on this. Do we have a choice? Yes, we have a choice. No, we don't have a choice. Do we follow the same rules? Yes, we follow the same rules. No, we don't follow the same rules. Do we need to book in advance? Yes, we need to book in advance. No, we don't need to book in advance. Do we include everyone? Yes, we include everyone. We don't include everyone's. Do we take credit cards? Yes, we take credit cards. No, we don't take credit cards. Do we have any questions? Yes, we have some questions. No, we don't have any question. Do they speak French? Yes, they speak French. No, they don't speak French. Do they live nearby? Yes, they live nearby. No, they don't live nearby. Do they serve breakfast? Yes, they serve breakfast. No, they don't serve breakfast. Do they accept returns? Yes, they accept returns. No, they don't accept returns. Do they know the way? Yes, they know the way. No, they don't know the way. Do they work on Sundays? Yes, they work on Sundays. No, they don't work on Sundays. Do they sell tickets here? Yes, they sell tickets here. No, they don't sell tickets here. Do they offer free delivery? Yes, they offer free delivery. No, they don't offer free delivery. Do they understand English? Yes, they understand English. No, they don't understand English. Do they need any special equipments? Yes, they need special equipment. No, they don't need any special equipments. Does he like pizza? Yes, he likes pizza. No, he doesn't like pizza. Does he speak Spanish? Yes, he speaks Spanish. No, he doesn't speak Spanish. Does he work here? Yes, he works here. No, he doesn't work here. Does he know the truth? Yes, he knows the truth. No, he doesn't know the truth. Does he need any help? Yes, he needs some help. No, he doesn't need any help. Does he play cricket? Yes, he plays cricket. No, he doesn't play cricket. Does he live alone? Yes, he lives alone. No, he doesn't live alone. Does he drive to work? Yes, he drives to work. No, he doesn't drive to work. Does he understand the instructions? Yes, he understands the instructions. No, he doesn't understand the instruction. Does he have a car? Yes, he has a car. No, he doesn't have a car. And does she sing well? Yes, she sings well. No, she doesn't sing well. Does she teach English? Yes, she teaches English. No, she doesn't teach English. Does she cook every day? Yes, she cooks every day. No, she doesn't cook every day. Does she know your number? Yes, she knows my number. No, she doesn't know my number. Does she need a doctor? Yes, she needs a doctor. No, she doesn't need a doctor. Does she like cold weather? Yes, she likes cold weather. No, she doesn't like cold weather. Does she work on weekends? Yes, she works on weekends. No, she doesn't work on weekends. Does she speak politely? Yes, she speaks politely. No, she doesn't speak politely. Does she understand the problem? Yes, she understands the problem. No, she doesn't understand the problem. Does she have any siblings? Yes, she has two siblings. No, she doesn't have any siblings. Does it work properly? Yes, it works properly. No, it doesn't work properly. Does it cost a lot? Yes, it costs a lot. No, it doesn't cost a lot. Does it matter? Yes, it matters. No, it doesn't matter. Does it make sense? Yes, it makes sense. No, it doesn't make sense. Does it take long? Yes, it takes a long time. No, it doesn't take long. Does it include tax? Yes, it includes tax. No, it doesn't include tax. Does it fit in the box? Yes, it fits in the box. No, it doesn't fit in the box. Does it require registration? Yes, it requires registration. No, it doesn't require registration. Does it happen often? Yes, it happens often. No, it doesn't happen often. Does it come with a warranty? Yes, it comes with a warranty. No, it doesn't come with a warranty. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I like spicy food. No, I don't like spicy food. Does your mother work? Yes, she works. No, she doesn't work. Do they sell coffee here? Yes, they sell coffee here. No, they don't sell coffee here. Does this phone have a camera? Yes, it has a camera. No, it doesn't have a camera. Do we need a reservation? Yes, we need a reservation. No, we don't need a reservation. Does he play any sports? Yes, he plays cricket. No, he doesn't play any sports. Do you remember me? Yes, I remember you. No, I don't remember you. Does the store stay open late? Yes, it stays open late. No, it doesn't stay open late. Do they accept credit cards? Yes, they accept credit cards. No, they don't accept credit cards. Does she like her job? Yes, she likes her job. No, she doesn't like her job. Do you watch TV every day? Yes, I watch TV every day. No, I don't watch TV every day. Does your father speak English? Yes, he speaks English. No, he doesn't speak English. Do they offer student discounts? Yes, they offer student discounts. No, they don't offer student discounts. Does this bug Does this bus go to the station? Yes, it goes to the station. No, it doesn't go to the station. Do we have a do we have to wear a uniform? Yes, we have to wear a uniform. No, we don't have to use or wear a uniform. Does she exercise regularly? Yes, she exercises regularly. No, she doesn't exercise regularly. Do you believe me? Yes, I believe you. No, I don't believe you. Does this hotel provide breakfast? Yes, it provides breakfast. No, it doesn't provide breakfast. Do they deliver to this area? Yes, they deliver to this area. No, they don't deliver to this area. Does he enjoy his job? Yes, he enjoys his job. No, he doesn't enjoy his job. Do you eat meat? Yes, I eat meat. No, I don't eat meat. Does she dance well? Yes, she dances well. No, she doesn't dance well. Do they know each other? Yes, they know each other. No, they don't know each other. Does it rain a lot here? Yes, it rains a lot here. No, it doesn't rain a lot here. Do we have any milk left? Yes, we have some milk. No, we don't have any milk. Does he tell the truth? Yes, he tells the truth. He doesn't tell the truth. Do you like learning English? Yes, I like learning English. No, I don't like learning English. Does she need any help? Yes, she needs a help. She doesn't need any help. Do they serve vegetarian food? Yes, they serve vegetarian food. No, they don't serve vegetarian food. Does this sound correct to you? Yes, it sounds correct. No, it doesn't sound correct.